Hello everyone, I'm me. I am a student in K67K class, Faculty of Physics. Okay, today we'll present about my teaching plan, physical law in optical physics, refraction law. Yes, it is in the credits. Is experiment in Physic Education of mutation by chip. Okay, start now. We will start now. Firstly, my presentation will have 4 parts. Firstly, enactment. Yes. I give some situation and ask students some problem. Secondly, exploration in order to answer the problem. We get some deduction process. Yes, and these are experiment. Yes, to investigate, to answer, to do something. Just explanation. We take the data analysis and get the conclusion, and elaboration is final. And I give my students some challenge problem in order extend the knowledge. Yes. Okay, we will come to the part 1. Is enactment. Firstly, I will show my student this picture. The pen looks broken. This is the wall half is to and I will ask some student, what is phenomenon. I hope that someone can remember. They have already learned in grade 9. Grade 9. So if they don't remember, I can recall a concept. It's a refraction of light phenomena. And we will go to the its definition of refraction of light. Yes, the change of the direction of light when it enters or leaves a material transparent equals refraction phenomena. Yes. And you can see that. Is this here when the it is not straight line, the pencil in a straight line. Yes, not straight line. When it enters when the pencil enter the interplay between the two medium is gas and it is water. The ray of light is bent. Yes, my student have already know that in grade 9. Yes. In order to present it clearly, I will give them some from the diagram. Yes, this is diagram. Here. It is air, the first medium air, the second medium glass. Yes, we will with normal. No, what is normal? Normal is plane that's perpendicular to the interface between two medium. At what? At that point, that's the radiant enter the second medium at this point. Yes, and we got the incident, we got the incident right, and we got the refracted square right, and we have a angle of incident, and the angle of refraction. Angle of incident is the angle between the incident right and normal. It's also for the refraction. It is an angle between angle of refracted ray related to the normal. Yes, it is angle. So we know that the relative position of incident ray and refracted ray is they are on the same plane. What plane? This plane is a plane created by the incident ray and the normal. Yes, but when we mention in the angle of incident and the angle of refraction, what is the relationship? Yes, what is the relationship? Yes, and how can we know the relation? And if we increase or decrease the incident angle, what happened to the if we increase or decrease the angle of incident, what happened with the angle of refraction? Yes, and what? Yes, we will focus on this lecture to answer some question here. What is the quantitative relationship between the incident angle and refracted angle? And secondly, how does the incident angle depend on the refracted angle and vice versa? Yes, we will go to the part 2. Yes, part 3 explanations. Firstly, we will some deduction. Yes, if I will got a statement, if we increase the incident angle, what happened to the refracted angle? There are some students they can say that it's also increase. Yes, it's also increase. Yes, the refracted angle will increase also. So when the incident angle increase, the refracted angle increase, and maybe the value observed are directly proportional. Yes, and we get a reason that the relationship between them is directly proportional, or I over R is a constant. Yes, what is I? I is the value of the angle, incident angle, and R is value of refracted angle. But there's some student may not know when we increase the incident angle, the refracted angle maybe decrease. Why? Yes, and also for the first case we can get the prediction that I term as the product of I term R, it may be a constant. It represents the mathematical relation. Yes, and the physical relation, physical significance as when the refracted angle and the incident angle are inversely proportional. Yes, this is a prediction because of deduction, theory deduction. So next we will go to the experiment design. We will design a experiment that can interpret, the prediction is wrong or right. Yes, okay. Both prediction. Firstly, we have the apparatus. Yes, apparatus. What is on the apparatus? We will answer some question. How many components of experience are up? What are they? I'm sorry. It is what are they? what I say. And how that look like? What is function? What is function of each component of each apparatus? Yes. And how the components are connected together? Yes. So secondly, in this, sorry.